Remember, I may switch to Tesla quickly, so just keep that in mind. If you just want to have Tesla 475s up and that's it, to me, that's a very safe way to do it. 5 seconds. Small trades, guys. Day after Christmas, volume is probably going to be pretty low. Reddit contracts aren't even showing up yet. That's a sign of low volume. Tesla falling under 465. Look, so you guys, no volume. The first candle of the day typically has some of the most volume of the entire day. So seeing this do nothing is a very bad sign. So like I said, chances are very low we even get this trade. But technical wise, I love it. NVIDIA just rips straight through 140. Wow, that's got some momentum for sure. Nice. Those February calls are going to be in the money this early. Farouk sleeping in day after Christmas. You must have had too much red wine last night, huh? 140, 15 cents. Okay, so NVIDIA. Ooh, vodka. Nice. Tesla down at 460. So far, these trades are not going the way that I want them. So what does that mean? We just sit back and let the market do whatever it wants to do, right? All right, Reddit contracts are now showing up. 25-cent spread, over 10%, about a 15% spread there. So to me, it's not really something I want to be involved in. Video rejected. Tesla under 460. So chances are that's not going to happen. PLTR is getting smashed here. Said Apple's moving. That's the one stock I took off to replace with Reddit. Yeah, Apple doing really well. Apple probably the strongest thing here besides NVIDIA. Nice. SPY shot up too. I don't know. I mean, I could easily see Apple being a trade here, but it's tough for me to continue to want to chase these all-time highs. Tesla's still down. Reddit still not doing anything. NVIDIA back above 140, closing above. Apple's just going to rip here. Is there any news on that? To me, this is moving like there's some sort of positive catalyst here. I don't know. It's also day after Christmas, so Microsoft. So let me just check on. Okay, Reddit's still falling. Tesla's still falling. Okay, I doubt we even get those now. Yeah, Microsoft doing well. Look at PLTR though. Straight down. Apple though, nice at 260. Let me see if there's a wall there at 260. Yeah, about 100,000 wall. Not bad. I'll send it in for you guys that don't typically get to see walls. Just so you can see what I'm looking at here. These are the orders that are sitting on the ask at 260 right now on Apple. Yeah, not much going on, guys. NVIDIA just kind of chopping around, trying to hold above 140, which I really like to see though. Tesla 458. That's just getting too far, I think. PLTR made a new low under $82. NVIDIA, I'm loving that. That swing's gonna look good. I can't believe not many of y'all followed me. Send a screenshot of what that looks like right now. Not a big position, but almost 100% swing. Tesla getting no love this morning. Apple hit 3 cents away. If Apple holds up here, kind of pulls back in, maybe to like 259-ish, and then creates some sort of pattern for us, I may be inclined to try a little scalp there at the high of the day. 260 calls. Reddit's still kind of sitting flat. How did that look off the open on Tuesday? Yeah, just really choppy and slow. I just don't know that that's the right move for us. Honestly, those spreads are crazy wide. You scalped NVDA. Yeah, nice. That was honestly a pretty decent high of the day scalp there. You know, it came back into 140. Sorry, not Tesla, NVIDIA. Buyers held it right above, and you got that high day break. So that was pretty solid. Nice trade there, TK. I love that you took that. Nice, Tick Man. That's good. Well, you know, you got to learn. So that's great. What else here? Yeah, so Reddit to me, nothing going on there. So I'm gonna watch Apple here. I think I'm gonna switch. I'm just gonna load these up to see what they look like here. I bet they're pretty cheap. Apple 260 calls for this week. About $100. Not bad looking. This is kind of the pullback that I like to see here. Whole market's pulling back though. Spine and Q pulling back. Let's see how Apple can hold up. I like this pullback though. This is like one of those pullbacks where I would take a starter position, but on a day like today, I don't think I am. Right back into VWAP. I don't know. These are pretty cheap. I could buy like one or two. A little bit of buying pressure here. Market's starting to push back up. That wall at 260, I mean, those orders want to get filled, you know? Market's really starting to push here. Apple's a little bit behind. I'm gonna grab like one contract here, guys. It's kind of risky, but they're cheap, and I'm seeing the market pop. So if I can see Apple get bought up here off VWAP here with this market, that'll just kind of be a decent starter position there. I got one at 91 cents. That was nice. Already at 97. 260 calls this week. My stop loss is going to be under a break under 259. So not risking anything here. Looking for a high day break through 260. That's it. Nice little pop here. Market made new highs. That was good timing there. Buying that on a dip is just a little bit slower than the market. See, upstarts rip in here. Apple already up pretty good here. $1.10 a contract, up over 10%. Tiny trades here. Wow, I'm really not in much. Volume picking up here a little bit. I'd like to add into this at some point, but it's kind of, this isn't terrible. $1.05 a contract. I'm gonna add one contract right here. Again, just looking for a 260 break here, guys. Market's nice and strong. I think there's a pretty high chance we can at least get to 260. Very small trade. Remember that. Market's still pushing. Apple's trying to flip red to green on this candle. I want to see it get through 259.80, and I think we're going to go straight for it. 75, 78, 80. Got through 80, 84, 85, 88, 89. Here we go. 90, 92, 93. Just got to hit that wall there. We should get a little volume spike, and I'm going to sell on the break. Market coming back down. Could take profits here. $1.15. I mean, already like a 15, maybe even 20% gain here. Nice. Look at that. Here we go. Added one more contract. Boom. Right before that break. I want to see this, see if there's a little continuation here. Apple's a slower mover. I'm going to sell half. Would like to see that go straight through and kind of hold above. Still sitting above 80 cents though, 87. Market just pulled back really aggressively there. That's what hurt Apple. Sold half for profit. Remember that. Still going to hold half here. Seeing if it'll use VWAP. Market just pulled back kind of hard. There's a little bounce here in the market. Might be able to get another 260 test. If not, we'll just get out of the rest. Wow, Reddit just started going without us. Out of nowhere. Big rejection there on Reddit. Apple still pretty decent buying pressure here. I don't mind it. Taking this one slow. Pull back into VWAP. 259.20 is now going to be my stop loss on the rest of these. I just bought one contract. Just added to that a little bit. $259.70. Market's starting to push back up a little bit. If we don't get a bounce here, probably just going to get out of it. Small trade. We'll see. This is where I would like to see it bounce. I still like this pattern here. If we can bounce back to 260, that's where I could see that continuation. Market pulling back down. This may come back into VWAP. Still like it. It's holding up. Remember, Apple's a slow one. 2-minute chart to me still looks really good. Little pop there, back to 259.70. I want to see us get back above 259.80. You guys can see that that's a resistance level there. Everyone should still be green. Struggling a little bit though. It's trying to hold that 50-cent level, which I like, but if we break down much lower, I may just get out of it. I mean, we could get shaken out if we sell here at around VWAP, but I'd rather just be able to get back in that trade and keep my profits. Reddit came back down. Definitely would have taken a loss on that if we forced it. Apple creeping back down here. Might sell these remaining contracts if there's no buy up here. Still like the way the chart looks. Market got pulled back kind of hard. It just got bought right back up though. So we'll see what Apple does. Right at VWAP. This is such a tiny trade. You guys should not be in much with much. This would be a perfect spot for this to bounce though. You can see that this is going to be the support area right in here. Starting to break under VWAP. See if buyers can hold it here. Wouldn't even be opposed to adding just because I'm in with such small size here, but no reason to over leverage. Got to see a bounce here. I'm just going to get out of the rest of these. Reddit trying to push back up here. Market trying to push back up. NVDA back to 140. Tesla doing nothing here. Got to see a bounce here. I'm going to get out. All right, I'm out. Well, still small green on that, but it didn't work out as well as I thought it could. I think there's still a possible trade here, though. It really just bounced right off 259, so it could still get back into this trade if it gets back up there. But expected low volume today, so maybe not much continuation. It's the only thing I was worried about. Reddit trying to push back up here. Is there a wall at 180? Not really. Yeah, there's just no volume on Reddit. It's kind of tough to trade. Apple trying to bounce here. Market just not doing a whole lot. I got to see some like candles kind of like this. Kind of like some bullish engulfing candles there would be good. If not, then if this gets under 259, it's probably done. Anyone make anything on that? I'm super small green after selling the rest of those. That buy down there was how perfect was that? It's kind of the same spot we're in right now. Still think there's a chance for this to keep going, but we'll see. It's just not picking back up like I would like to see. It's holding 259 for now, but if they give that up, I think this is done. 10 cents away. Nice TK. 259 getting tested here. That'll break it. Market's not really selling off here, so to me, this is a little weak here on Apple. They may bring that back down to its low of the day. Closed under 259. All right, good stop loss on that. Contracts are back down to 70. Market's starting to roll back over. Surprised Tesla really didn't do much today, honestly. SPY kind of topping out, NQ kind of rolling back over. Yeah, as expected though, right? I mean, it's the day after Christmas. Not much going on. Big pullback there on the market. Apple didn't get that affected by it though. NVIDIA straight back down. Wow. SPY trying to come in for low a day. Tesla looks like it might get smashed. That was looking good last night, but there's no buying today. Slow a day break through 455 may not be bad. Yeah, NVDA crushed. I don't think there's any news on Tesla negative wise. At least that I've seen. I think this is just kind of the market selling off, and this was up a lot pre-market. Maybe just some profit taking. I don't know. PLTR got hit. Tesla breaks under 455 though. I think that could probably slip pretty good. See what this does here. New low of the day. Let's see how this slips under 455 or if they hold it. Market trying to bounce. You may see a bounce here on Tesla. Where'd Apple end up? Apple trying to bounce a little bit. Man, Apple looked really good, but those are just external factors you have to keep in consideration, right? Holiday week, day after Christmas, probably going to be low volume, probably less continuation. It's a big reason why I just sold half my position there when it just didn't follow through much, and then just left the half on. So obviously, if we sold all of it, would have been great, but I got to give it a chance. Or the risk reward doesn't make sense. Market's trying to go back for lower days here. I think Tesla's about to really slip. I wouldn't even consider playing that, but I'm too late. Under 455, 50-cent move, 60-cent move. For you guys that know your patterns here, before I say anything or draw anything, what do you see here? What kind of pattern do you see? There it goes. There it is. Told you. No, not a bull flag. Bear flag. That's correct. Probably would have traded that if I saw it a little bit earlier. Oh, on Apple. Yeah, Stickman. On Apple, you're correct. Man, that was nice. That would have paid pretty good there on Tesla. They just totally gave that up. Big sell-off right now. Look at SPY. Look at NVIDIA. Reddit just got crushed. $3 candle. Tesla getting murdered here. Wow, look at this, man. If we get another bear flag here on Tesla, 450 may not be a bad scalp, but again, these aren't A+ setups for me at all. These are just kind of momentum-based scalps with small size, middle of the day. Look at this. Wow. NQ, SPY, getting manhandled this morning. Apple all the way down to low of the day. Man, that Tesla trade would have been great. Yeah, if I saw Tesla like 2 or 3 minutes earlier, kind of when it was just now kind of barely starting to break here, I probably would have considered that. That's tough. Meta under 600. Netflix not doing anything really. I know GME was up this morning. It's all the way back down. PLTR getting hit. Look at this Reddit candle. Imagine getting caught in that. Ouch. On those wide spreads. Defense, huh? Yeah, Lockheed's up barely. Yeah, not much going on here. SPY back up to 5.99 here, so a pretty solid bounce here on SPY. Look at that. They reject 5.99 and roll it back over, it'll just continue. We took a little trade on Apple today. Kind of sold half for green, sold the other half for small red. Other than that, pretty big sell off here the last 5 minutes. Pookie, did you dump your retirement account or something? Pretty big recovery here on SPY though. Look at that. Jeez. Apple back up. Tesla not really affected here. I mean, look at this, only a $3 bounce on Tesla. NVDA trying to creep back up here. um yeah, so I guess right now we're just kind of, I mean, look at SPY, man. This is kind of crazy. Not many stocks are following it as strong here though. I mean, Reddit bounced a little bit. Tesla's, up only about $3 off that bounce, and SPY with a huge recovery here. Same with NQ. PLTR back to 82. NVIDIA rejecting back off 139. Let's see here. NVIDIA still playing around 139. Tesla 456. Kind of retesting that original low a day. Yeah, we'll see what happens here. What a recovery, guys. Look at this. Whoa. What is going on here? SPY. SPY pulled a Santa, went down the chimney, then back out. That's honestly, that's pretty crazy. $2 swing that quickly. Tesla still trying to recover here. 458. Apple's just dead. Yeah, I think if we see some rejections here, this could slip right back down. This is pretty insane though. SPY, we're straight back to high of the day. Reddit creeping back up here. NVIDIA seeing no love though on the bids. Not much going on here. Stupidly high risk. Yeah, I mean look at SPY slow down here back at that high a day spot. Trade kind of makes sense to me. Stop loss, high a day. Let's see, where's old sad boy at? Gotta get these sellers out of here, man. We gotta get some people buying this thing. 3.4 mil. I mean, we just need that big boom. Everyone's been staring at that downtrend. Oh, nice. MetaMat posted in the Sad Boy server that the coin got listed on CoinGecko. That's big. Now for the volume. Not much else going on here, guys. High day SPY. Yeah, Duco, I agree. It's gonna be part of it though. 10 mil, baby. That'll be a first benchmark. We got a hold there. Nice rejection there off high of the day on SPY. Here we go. See if this rolls back over. Zuma, that's pretty funny. Look at that profile. You could tell they screenshotted my profile and try to get that E in there. Oh man, I hope you get $1,000 out of that. That's pretty funny. That is, I haven't really seen many fake Ethans, but that's pretty hilarious. Oh, I haven't seen that Pookie, but that's pretty funny too. Nice. Get him out of here. Would love to know who these people are in real life. Hey, Ethan, nice to meet you. Crazy. I have the same name. They're doing their best. Here comes Spy rolling back over. Pookie, what contract did you buy? 559 what? Is it 59.75s? Ooh, 995. Already at 8. Damn. God, these contracts just move insane. 995. 26 December. Oh, never mind. I was looking at the wrong ones. Okay, yeah, they're at 4. I have never traded SPX in my life. Nice rejection there. Look at that. About to be a green to red candle. Nice. This morning went by quick. We're already 40 minutes in. NVDA made new lows. SPY kind of a low volume bounce here. Well, looks like our day ended pretty quickly here. New channel added. What's that? Oh, the price. Nice. Yeah, no, I agree, Pookie. I agree. Last night I was seeing like Tesla 475. There's one or two other names I saw that were up a lot. And this morning I was like, well, there you go. Hit 455 this morning. It was pre-market traded, probably did pretty good. Holding under 600 on SPY though. Well, let's see what else we got going on today. Mad Maverick swing trading group session starts in 45 minutes. On top and hot with Stock Wizard is at 4 p.m. Eastern. And then tonight we got my coaching corner at 9 p.m. So they're kind of spread out today. On top and hot. That's kind of a funny name. Yeah. So the time is it not on there? No, it's on there. 7 p.m. Eastern. Yeah, going forward. I guess I shouldn't say tonight. I should say this evening, maybe. But yeah, the times on the event. Yes, 6 p.m. Central Time. NVDA coming down. Yeah, this thing, SPY traded a drop. NVIDIA is selling off a lot harder than the market. I don't love that. I honestly saw positive news on it today, so I don't really know what's going on. I'm guessing just the whole sector is probably selling off. Nice little break there. Well, guys, I know things kind of slowed down kind of abruptly there, at least from my trading. But it is what it is. Made just a little bit of money today. Can't complain too much. But I'll probably stick around for another 10 minutes and then we'll go on. But it looks like things are about to roll back over here. Tesla coming back to 455. SPY is holding on for dear life right now. Yeah, pretty much. Tesla bounced off 455. NVIDIA is just getting bled out. Yeah, 100%. Kind of had that crazy move now, and then volume is just almost non-existent here. Well, guys, any last minute questions? Anything you want me to go over before I kind of start wrapping things up? Remember, coaching corner guys, bring a ticker and bring a reason why you want to trade that stock tonight. And we'll see who brings the best trade idea. 7 p.m. Eastern time. For anyone that's free, that's a free member, I'll go ahead and throw the 5-day free trial. If you sign up for it today, you're going to be inducted on Monday, so you'll get a full 5 days. Yeah, check out that link too for any free people in here. So we got mostly premium guys, but as expected, most people are still on holiday. YouTube, Twitch, Twitter. I'll put the link here in the comments as well. All good, Chad. Take care, man. Oh, perfect, Nikki. Reddit trying to bounce. NVDA getting no love here. Tesla may make a move back to its high of the day. Just kind of the way it's looking here. But I don't know. Not a ton of opportunity, I think, today. But these are perfect from y'all that have maybe only traded one time during Christmas or holiday season, or maybe this is your first one. Just remember, every time this happens, it's typically very slow. So that's where you just have to force yourself to maybe not trade or trade very small size if there's any setups. But obviously, if there's A plus setups, then you could trade them. But typically, I like to really dial it back and move on. SPY kind of bouncing here. All right, guys. Well, I think I'm going to wrap it up here in about 1 minute, and that'll be that. I'll see the rest of you guys tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern for the coaching corner lesson tonight. Other than that, I'll be around. If you need me, you know where to find me. But I think, sometimes the best risk management is just walking away. And then we can all go stare at Sad Boy for the rest of the day. You know what I mean? All right, y'all. Have a good day, and see you tonight. Bye-bye.